Hello friends, today I am going to solve practice set 5.3. Example number 1. I am reading example number 1. You listen to it carefully. Angles made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis are given. Find the slope of this line. And given angle is 1 30 degree, second 45 degree, third 60 degree and fourth 90 degree. In this example, we have to find the slope of the line of the given angle, and slope of the line of the given angle can find by tan ratio. Let's see. First is theta is equal to 30. Then slope of the line m is equal to tan 30 is equal to tan 30 tan theta is equal to tan 30 is equal to ratio of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Second B, theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, slope of the line m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree is equal to the tan 45 ratio is 1. C, theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, slope of the line m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to root 30. Ratio of the tan 60 is root 3. D, theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, slope of the line m is equal to tan theta, and tan 90 degree is equal to the ratio of the tan 90 is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. Therefore, answer is A. First angle theta 30 is 1 upon root 3. B, tan 45 is 1. C, tan 60 is root 3. And D, tan 90 is not defined. All of you understood? Next example, question number 2, example number 4. I am reading question number 2. Find the slope of the line passing through the given points. Example, L into bracket minus 2 minus 3 bracket complete, M into bracket minus 6 minus 8 bracket complete. In this example, we have to find slope of the line passing through the points, and slope of the line passing through the points can be found by slope of the line formula, and slope of the line formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's see. Example number 4, L into bracket minus 2 minus 3 bracket complete, M into bracket minus 6 minus 8 bracket complete. Let L into bracket minus 2 minus 3 bracket complete is equal to x1 y1, M into bracket minus 6 minus 8 bracket complete is equal to x2 y2. Therefore, slope of the line LM is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 value is minus 8 and y1 value is minus 3. Minus 8 minus into bracket minus 3 bracket complete upon x2 value is minus 6 and x1 value is minus 2. Minus 6 minus into bracket minus 2 bracket complete is equal to minus 8 minus into minus plus 3 upon minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 upon 6 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 5 upon minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore, answer is the slope of the line LM is 5 upon 4. All of you understood? Next example, question number 3, example number 1. I am reading question number 3. You listen it carefully. Determine whether the following points are collinear or not. Example number 1. A into bracket minus 1 comma minus 1 bracket complete. B into bracket 0 comma 1 bracket complete. C into bracket 1 comma 3 bracket complete. In this example, we have to find the given points are collinear or not. If the slope of both the lines are equal, then the given points are collinear, otherwise not. Let's see. Example 1, question number 3, example 1. A into bracket minus 1 minus comma minus 1 bracket complete. B into bracket 0 comma 1 bracket complete. C into bracket 1 3 bracket complete. First take two points, point A and B. Therefore the slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here y2 y1 x2 x1 is equal to 1 minus into bracket minus 1 upon 0 into 0 minus into bracket minus 1 bracket complete is equal to 1 plus 1 minus into minus plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 2. The slope of the line AB is equal to 2. Then take point BC, then find the slope of line BC. The slope of line BC is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to, here this is the y2 y1 x2 x1 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0. 3 minus 1 1 minus upon 1 minus 0 is equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Therefore slope of the line BC is equal to 2. You can see here both the slopes are equal. Therefore slope of the line AB is equal to slope of the line BC are equal. Next example, example number 8. I am reading example number 8. You listen it carefully. Find K if PQ parallel to RS and P into bracket 2 comma 4 bracket complete, Q into bracket 3 comma 6 bracket complete, R into bracket 3 comma 1 bracket complete, S into bracket 5 comma K bracket complete. In this example, we have to find K. If two parallel lines are given in the example, therefore parallel lines have a equal slope. Therefore slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line RS. Therefore in point PQ, this is y2 y1 x2 x1, and in point RS y2 y1 and x2 x1. Therefore 6 minus 4 upon 3 minus 2 is equal to K minus 1 upon 5 minus 3. Therefore 6 minus 4 is 2 upon 3 minus 2 is 1 is equal to K minus 1 upon 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore cross multiplication 1 into K minus 1. K minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 4. Therefore K is equal to 4 plus 1. After transferring the term, sign gets changed. Minus 1 become a plus 1. Therefore K is equal to 5. Therefore answer is K is equal to 5. All of you understood this?